Hey guys, this is anything
and everything. Here it is. We're gonna make this bang. He agrees with me.
So today is special because we invited our friends.
Hi! What are you doing?
This is Landon.
Hi.
This is Liam. And
Yeah.
This is Stephanie. Hi.
We're gonna need some help eating this.
We're gonna make a feast for our friends.
We have 6 McDoubles, 6 Junior Bacon Cheeseburger, no veggies. Not having it.
No.
No.
This is right.
That is right. He tells it all. 6 Junior Whoppers. And we're gonna take these and we're gonna be disgusting. We're gonna put them all in a giant pile, covered in cheese, and we're gonna make it right. Just hit him with the cheese. It doesn't even matter. There. Do your thing. Damn, this is very unsanitary.
Ugh.
This is not how you.
Yes.
Oh. You know, I'm taking-
Lasagna.
Look at all those chickens.
Whoa.
Are we gonna eat this without our hands? I am, yeah. Okay. You know what we need before we eat this? Some beer.
A beer.
There you go. Drink up. Ah. Cheers.
Are you ready? Ready. Hands behind your back. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Got hair in my mouth and shit.
Wow,
I like it.
that's so juicy.
Very juicy.
And here we're gonna do it the right way. Oh.
You gonna try it?
What the heck? Why is it so big?
Tell us.
Come on over here, Landon. We don't need this fork. Landon, give this a try and tell me what you think.
Yeah.
Landon, out of 10, what do you rate this? 9?
Hi.
Kid approved.
Kid approved. 9. Now,
That's really
Landon,
good.
are you gonna be able to eat all that?
Possibly.
Okay.
Well, get to work. What are you doing?
Get to work.
Yeah, slacking over here.